Okay, this is session 4 on Lightbot, and we're going to continue with loops because that was quite a difficult task to get through. So, to get to Lightbot, again, type in lightbot.com on the address bar, press enter, it takes you to this website, scroll down, then select Lightbot Code Hour. Again, if you're using iPad or iPhone, select this iOS option. If you're using a tablet or phone, Android phone, select the Android option. And if you're using a desktop or a laptop, select the online flash, which I'm going to be using now. So I'm going to select the green rectangle. I'm going to continue with loops. Start from 1, press play. Okay. So again, the whole idea of loops is that you create a continuous set of instructions that keep repeating, okay, over and over again, hence the name loops. So in this case, here, I'm going to ask it to go forward, light up, and then ask it to go back over here to the main program, P1. So this is going to find here, and then when I click play, the main program will ask it to go to P1, which is over here. It will go forward, light up the square, and then this P1 instruction will go back over here. So it's creating the idea of a loop. So if I press play, okay, what's the next button? Okay. You can pause before I start each one, so you can have a go yourself and then come back to the video to see if you are right or wrong. But if you're right, you should be able to complete everything. Okay, so over here again, it's exactly the same idea. Put in the P1. Over here, okay, I'm going to ask it to jump up, okay, light up, then go back to P1. Okay, very similar to the previous level. Okay. Press next. Over here, okay, I'm going to put P1 on this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to only complete one section. Okay, so that section is to go forward, put the light bulb, get it to turn left, so it's going to be facing this way. Then I'm going to ask it to move forward. Then I'm going to ask it to jump down, light up, jump up again, and then the last one should be P1. So if I just do this, okay, actually let me get rid of this one for now so you can see where it stops. Okay, so it stops there. So if I do P1 again at the end of here, okay, it will go back up there, then it will repeat this instruction again. So the idea, it should do it 4 times. Okay, so let's put that P1 here. Okay, great, and let's go to the next one. So again, you can press the pause button. So before you start this, it's going to go forward. Put P1 here. It's already standing on a square which needs lighting up, so I'm going to do that first. I'm going to press forward, turn left, go forward. I'm going to light up the square, turn right, forward, P1, and then always put P1 here so it has to go back to the main program. Great. Let's do the next one. So this one, okay, every single square needs to be lit. So over here we'll put P1. And you notice that there is, okay, 2 programs. So I'm going to link them together. So over here I'm going to light it up. Then I'm going to jump down, light up, move forward, light up, move forward, light up, and then in here because there's no space here, I'm going to ask it to go to the next program down. So from here, I'm going to ask it to jump. Turn left. And then over here, I want to create a loop asking it to go up to here. Okay, so the idea is, okay, it will run, P1 will go here, so it will run this set of instructions. Obviously we'll run out of space here, so I'm going to ask it to go to P2, which is the next set of instructions. We'll kind of jump to left, and then once it's finished this round, okay, then it will go all the way up. So if I just remove this, you can see how it looks like without that. So that's where it stops. Okay, so by adding P1 here now, okay, it's going to go up here. Okay, then it's going to run this one here first, and then when it gets here, it's going to ask it to go to program 2, and then it's going to do. Okay, so the idea is going to keep repeating the circle. So let's try that again. Okay, great. Let's try the next one. So this one's really tricky, so make sure you take your time. You can pause it before I start working through it. So again, start with P1. I'm going to light up the square because it's already standing on a square that needs to be lighted up. Then I'm going to ask it to jump up, turn left, move forward. Then it'll be standing on a square that needs to be lit up. Turn right, jump, and then run out of space. We're going to use this second procedure or program. So it's going to go down here, then over here. I'm going to ask it to turn right, move forward, turn left, jump up, jump down, turn left, and then I need to put P1 here so it loops back, so we can see how it looks like without it. Okay, there you go. So it goes up to here, and then I'm going to put P1 here, and then it will go here, then it will light up, jump, and so forth. So let's see how that looks like. Okay, brilliant. Okay, now can you give it a try? Okay, if you have not. And remember, take your time. It does need a lot of planning. Okay, but patience is the key. Okay, there's no need to rush. Okay, good luck.